We're here to talk about 3D printed jigs and fixtures. 3D printed jigs and fixtures are custom designed 3D printed parts that can be used to secure, guide, and inspect materials and parts during the manufacturing process. They're typically used in machining and fabrication, so you'll often see them in industries such as automotive and manufacturing. 3D printed jigs and fixtures can be tailored to the specific needs of your project, so they have the ability to reduce waste and increase efficiency. 3D printed jigs and fixtures are useful for many tasks, including function prototyping, fit testing, and work holding, or inspection of complex shapes. The advantages of using 3D printed jigs are that you can quickly produce them and customize them to the specific needs of your project. Take a look at these custom 3D printed soft jaws. To learn more about 3D printing for jigs and fixtures, check out our blog.